Hello, my name is Kevin Butler, and I'm a certified professional ergonomist that works for Steelcase. And this is the Steelcase Gesture chair. We're going to take just a couple of minutes to educate you on how to adjust your gesture in order to optimize your comfort. It has seat height, seat pan depth, built-in lumbar support, adjustable back tension, a recline control, and armrest with unmatched range and adjustability. All controls are centrally located on the right side of the chair, making them easy to find and easy to use. The adjustments related to the back are in the back, and all adjustments related to the seat are in the front. My recommendation is that you adjust your chair in this order, and I'm confident that you'll be an expert in no time at all. We always start with seat height. The height of your seat adjusts to allow you to properly interact with your work surface and work tools. To raise your chair, release your weight from the chair and pull the lever up. To lower it, remain seated while pulling the lever up. Your ideal seat height is when your feet are flat on the floor or on a footrest and your thighs are approximately parallel to the ground. The seat depth adjusts to accommodate different leg lengths to avoid pressure and fatigue behind the knees. To adjust your seat depth, remain seated and turn the knob. Turning the knob forward will extend the seat, while turning the knob backwards will retract it. The seat depth is adjusted properly when your lower back is against the backrest and there is at least 2 to 3 finger widths of space between the seat edge and the back of your knees. Now we will move to the backrest adjustments. The back tension is the smooth outer knob, and the back position adjustment is the dial that is inset on the tension knob. While Gesture offers 4 backrest positions, I strongly recommend that you utilize the full recline position. It is in full recline when the tab is pointing towards the front of the chair and parallel to the floor. Now it's time to move to back tension. To adjust the tension, first sit all the way back in your chair, making full contact with the backrest. Turn the rear knob forward for more resistance and backward for less resistance. The ideal tension level is when you can recline easily, but the back still supports you in any position. As you sit in your chair, it's recommended that you recline often to shift postures and relieve pressure from your spine. The back support is designed with live back technology and built-in lumbar support. The contoured back prevents lower back gap and provides consistent back and lumbar support at any angle of recline. This will keep you in a healthy and productive posture. The 360-degree armrests on Gesture support movement and healthy posture as you interact with multiple devices. Squeeze the arm button to raise or lower the armrest, then release the button. Push the arm in or out to adjust width. To adjust the arm cap position, grasp the arm cap and slide in any direction. The proper armrest position is when you can sit with your arms at your side, forearms parallel to the ground, with your shoulders still relaxed. Experiment with different arm positions depending on what you're doing throughout the day and what technology you're using. And that's it. Now you know how to optimize your comfort in the Gesture chair. I strongly recommend that you take a few minutes to really fine-tune your comfort while seated. Thank you so much for listening, and please take care.